People don't have to like you. People don't have to love you. They don't even have to respect you. And that's not the problem. The problem starts when you look in the mirror and you don't respect yourself. Because deep inside, you know you're capable of more. I've seen this story again and again. A normal person with big dreams, full of energy on day one, saying, "I'll start tomorrow." Then tomorrow becomes next week, next month, next year, and slowly life becomes a loop. Wake up, scroll, complain, sleep, repeat. And then that same person asks, "Why am I not moving forward?" The answer is simple and painful. Because comfort feels easier than effort. Because discipline feels boring. Because excuses feel safer than action. You say you're tired, but you're tired of doing nothing meaningful. You say you don't have time, but you waste hours on things that give you nothing back. And I'm not saying this to insult you. I'm saying this because you deserve better than a life of regret. The truth is, nobody is coming to push you. No perfect moment, no magical motivation. Change starts the moment you decide to stop lying to yourself. Even small actions matter. Waking up earlier, doing the hard task first, staying consistent when nobody is watching. This is how confidence is built. Not by talking, but by proving. And if you keep living the same way you are today, your future will look exactly the same. Same stress, same complaints, same disappointment. But if today you choose discipline over comfort, effort over excuses, your life can slowly change. So stop waiting to feel ready. Stop comparing your life with others. Focus on becoming someone you respect, because at the end of the day, when the noise is gone, the only opinion that matters is the one staring back at you in the mirror.